Hi there everybody, who's doing whole universe, hope everything is fine. I'm Rashman who brings well with the own experience, and today we're going to dive into the outline of artificial intelligence. We will learn about AI, ML, and NDL, which is means, so what is it? Let me know, Igor. It means artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, and also we'll learn about convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, deep neural networks, and artificial neural networks, long short-term memory, perceptron, and other features that you can find inside of the outline of artificial intelligence. Let's dive into it. You will be listening. It will be the listening practice for C1-C2 levels of kind of English knowledge and knowing and things of this nature. Okay, let's dive into it together, and it will be interesting, I hope, for you and for me. The more we practice, the better we are, yes. And by the way, guys, excuse moi for my pronunciation. Sometimes I will be speaking not really with correct accent or something, and it means that okay, it's fine. Let's start it. The following outline is provided as an overview of and topical guide to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI. Intelligence exhibited by machines of software. It is also the name of the scientific field which studies how to create computers and computer software that are capable of intelligent behavior. Wow, we have a lot of contents inside of it, and AI algorithms and techniques, search, optimization, search, logic, other symbolic knowledge and reasoning tools, probabilistic methods for uncertain reasoning, classifiers and statistical learning methods, artificial neural networks biologically based on embodied cognitive architecture and multi-agent systems, philosophy, definition of AI, classifying AI, goals and applications, general intelligence, reasoning and problem solving, knowledge representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, perception, robotics, control, social intelligence, playing, creativity, art and entertainment, integrated AI systems, intelligent personal assistants, other applications, history by subject, future, fiction, AI community, open source AI development tools, projects, competitions and awards, publications, organizations, companies, artificial intelligence researchers and scholars. See also reference bibliography, further reading, external links. Okay, AI algorithms and techniques. Main article, artificial intelligence, symbol of paragraph or something. What is this? The name of it in English? I don't know. Tools. Search. Discrete search algorithms. Uniform search. Brute force search. Search tree. Breadth first search. Depth first search. State space search. Informed search. Best first search. Asterisk search algorithm, heuristics, pruning algorithm, adversarial search, min-max algorithm, logic as search, production system, computer science, rule-based system, production rule, inference rule, home close, forward chaining, backward chaining, planning as search, state space search, means and analysis. Optimization search. Optimization, mathematics algorithms, hill climbing, simulated tunneling, beam search, random optimization, evolutionary computation, genetic algorithms, gen expression programming, genetic programming, differential evolution, society-based learning algorithms, swarm intelligence, particle swarm optimization, and colony optimization, meta-heuristic. Logic and automated reasoning, programming using logic programming. See logic as search above. Forms of logic: prepositional logic, first order logic with equality, constraints satisfaction, fuzzy logic, fuzzy set theory, fuzzy systems, Comp's method, ordered weighted averaging, aggregation operator, perceptual computing, default reasoning and other solutions to the frame problem and qualification problem, Non-monotonic logic, abductive reasoning, default logic, circumscription logic, closed world assumption, domain-specific logics, representing categories and relations, description logics, semantic networks, inheritance computer science, frame artificial intelligence, scripts artificial intelligence, representing events and time, situation calculus, event calculus, fluent calculus, causes and effects, causal calculus, knowledge about knowledge, belief revision, model logics, para-consistent logics, planning using logic, set plan, learning using logic, inductive logic programming, explanation-based learning, relevance-based learning, case-based reasoning, general logic algorithms, automated theorem proving, other symbolic knowledge and reasoning tools, symbolic representation of knowledge, ontology, information science, upper ontology, domain ontology, frame artificial intelligence, semantic net, conceptual dependency theory, unsolved problem and knowledge representation, default reasoning, frame problem, qualification problem, common sense knowledge, probabilistic methods for uncertain reasoning, stochastic methods for uncertain reasoning, Bayesian networks, Bayesian inference algorithm, Bayesian learning and the expectation maximization algorithm, Bayesian decision theory and Bayesian decision networks, probabilistic perception and control, dynamic Bayesian networks, hidden Markov model, Kalman filters, fuzzy logic, decision tools from economics, decision theory, decision analysis, information value theory, Markov decision processes, dynamic decision networks, game theory, mechanism design, algorithm information theory, algorithmic probability, classifiers and statistical learning methods, classifier mathematics and statistical classification, alternating decision tree, artificial neural network, see below, k-nearest neighbor algorithm, kernel methods, support vector machine, naive Bayes classifier, artificial neural networks, network topology, feed-forward neural network, perceptrons, multi-layer perceptrons, radial basis network, convolutional neural network, long short-term memory, recurrent neural networks, Hopfield network, attractor network, deep learning, hybrid neural network, learning algorithms for neural networks, Hebbian learning, backpropagation, GMDH, competitive learning, supervised backpropagation, narrow evolution, the restricted Boltzmann machine, biologically based or embodied, behavior-based AI, subsumption architecture, nouvelle AI, developmental robotics, situated AI, bio-inspired computing, artificial immune systems, embodied cognitive science, embodied cognition, cognitive architecture and multi-agent systems, artificial intelligence systems integration, cognitive architecture, LIDA, cognitive architecture, agent architecture, control system, hierarchical control system, networked control system, distributed artificial intelligence, multi-agent system, hybrid intelligence system, monitoring and surveillance agents, blackboard system, philosophy, main article, artificial intelligence in philosophy and philosophy of AI, definition of AI, Dartmouth proposal, every aspect of learning of any other feature of intelligence can in principle be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. Turing test, computer machinery and intelligence, intelligent agent, iterational agent, action selection, AI effect, synthetic intelligence, classifying AI, symbolic versus sub-symbolic AI, symbolic AI, physical symbol system, Dreyfus critique of AI, Moravec's paradox, elegant and simple versus ad hoc and complex, neat versus scruffy, society of mind, scruffy approach, the master algorithm, neat approach, level of generality and flexibility, artificial general intelligence, narrow AI, level of precision and correctness, soft computing, hard computing, level of intelligence, progress in artificial intelligence, superintelligence, level of consciousness, mind and understanding, Chinese room, hard problem of consciousness, computationalism, functionalism, philosophy of mind, robot rights, user illusion, artificial consciousness, goals and applications, general intelligence, artificial general intelligence, AI complete, reasoning and problem solving, automated reasoning, mathematics, automated theorem prover, computer assisted proof, computer algebra, general problem solver, expert system, decision support system, clinical decision support system, knowledge representation, knowledge management, CYC, sick, kick. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it correct. CYC, we'll call it. It is. What is it? Let's learn it about it. It is a long-term artificial intelligence project that aims to assemble a comprehensive ontology and knowledge base that spans the basic concepts and rules about how the world works. Okay, planning, automated planning and scheduling, strategic planning, Sussman anomaly, learning, machine learning, constrained conditional models, deep learning, neural modeling fields, natural language processing, outline chatterbots, language identification, natural language user interface, natural language understanding, machine translation, okay, statistical semantics, question answering, semantic translation, concept mining, data mining, text mining, process mining, email spam filtering, information extraction, named entity extraction, co-reference resolution, named entity recognition, relationship extraction, terminology extraction, perception, machine perception, pattern recognition, computer audition, speech recognition, speaker recognition, computer vision outline, image processing, intelligent word recognition, object recognition, optical mark recognition, handwriting recognition, optical character recognition, automatic number plate recognition, information extraction, image retrieval, automatic image annotation, facial recognition system, silent speech interface, activity recognition, percept, artificial intelligence, robotics, behavior-based robotics, cognitive, cybernetics, developmental robotics, epigenetic robotics, evolutionary robotics, control, intelligent control, self-management, computer science, autonomic computing, autonomic networking, social intelligence, affective computing, kismet, game playing, game artificial intelligence, computer game bot, computer replacement for human players, video game AI, computer chess, computer Go, general game playing, general video game playing, creativity, art and entertainment, artificial creativity computing, artificial intelligence art, uncanny valley, music and artificial intelligence, computational humor, a chatterbox, aggregated AI systems. So we have next and also some lists here. Okay, we'll read it a little bit, okay, not fully, but main words, and if we'll have time we will read more. AIBO, Sony's robot dog. It integrates vision, hearing, and motor skills. Wow, amazing. Asimo, 2000 to present humanoid robot developed by Honda, capable of walking, running, negotiating through pedestrian traffic, climbing and descending stairs, recognizes speech commands and the faces of specific individuals among a growing set of capabilities. Mirage, AI embodied humanoid in an augmented reality environment. COG, MIT humanoid robot project under the direction of Rodney Brooks. QRIO, Sony's version of a humanoid robot. TOPIO, XYYYYYYYYYS. Okay, humanoid robot that can play ping pong with humans. Watson, 2011, computer developed by IBM that played and won the game Show Jeopardy! It is now being used to guide nurses in medical procedures. Purpose: open domain question answering. Technologies employed natural language processing, information retrieval, knowledge representation, automated reasoning, machine learning. Project Debater 2018, artificial intelligence computer system designed to make coherent arguments, developed at IBM's lab at Haifa, Israel. Okay, intelligent personal assistant, Amazon Alexa assistant, Brain, Cortana, Google Assistant, Google Now, Microsoft Siri, Viv. Other applications are artificial life, simulation of natural life through the means of computers, robotics, or biochemistry, automatic target recognition, diagnosis, artificial intelligence, speech generating device, vehicle infrastructure integration, virtual intelligence. History of artificial intelligence, progress in artificial intelligence, timeline of artificial intelligence, AI effect, AI winter, Moore's law. Let's read about AI effect. As soon as AI successfully solves a problem, the problem is no longer considered by the public to be a part of AI. This phenomenon has occurred in relation to every AI application produced so far throughout the history of development of AI. Okay, a period of AI winter, a period of disappointment and funding reduction occurring after a wave of high expectation and funding in AI. Such funding cuts occurred in the 1970s, for instance. History by subject. History of logic, history of machine learning, timeline, history of machine translation, timeline, and here is format reasoning is an important precursor of AI. Okay, history of natural language processing, history of optical character recognition, timeline. Future, artificial general intelligence, superintelligence, Chinese room and strong AI. Technological singularity, recursive self-improvement, intelligence explosion, singularitarianism, singularitarianism, okay, human enhancement, transhumanism, posthumanism, cyborgs, mind uploading, wow, what is it? It is also known as whole brain emulation, WBE, is the theoretical futuristic process of scanning a physical structure of the brain accurately enough to create an emulation of the mental state and transferring or copying it to a computer in a digital form. Wow. Existential risk from artificial general intelligence, global catastrophic risk, AI takeover, ethics of AI, artificial intelligence arms race, lethal autonomous weapon, military robot, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, mitigating risks, AI control problem, friendly AI, machine ethics, regulations of AI box, self-replicating machines, hive mind, robot swarm. Fiction, artificial intelligence in fiction. Okay, we have here some The Matrix agents, Agent Smith, Angel F. Okay, we have some of them. I will not read it. It is kind of interesting, but you can read it by your own if you want. It is kind of Erasmus here, also Cylons and Cortana, Commander Data, Colossus and others. So we have here Xenocyte and Jane and Keymaker, Machine, Puppet Master, Omnius, Replicants, Roboduck, and the Matrix franchise, the Animatrix. Okay, we have robots here, Transformers, and the City and the Stars. Okay, we have a lot of it. Or the Oracle Sapient program in the Matrix franchise. Okay, it is a lot of here. We can find. Let's read next. Open source AI development tools, OpenAIR, OpenCook, IRIS, Rapid Miner, TensorFlow, PyTorch, it is development tools. Okay, projects, automated mathematician, alien robot, open mind, common sense, mind pixel, cognitive assistant that learns and organizes, Blue Brain project, Google Deep Mind, Human Brain project, IBM Watson Group, competitions and awards, Loebner Prize, competition and prizes in artificial intelligence. Okay, the Loebner Prize was annual competition in artificial intelligence that awards prizes to the computer programs considered by the judges to be the most human-like. Wow. Publications, list of important publications in computer science, Adaptive Behavior Journal, AI Memo, Artificial Intelligence and Modern Approach, Artificial Minds, Computational Intelligence, Computer Machinery Intelligence, I think it's so, yes, Alan Turing, I have one of this, Electronic Transaction on Artificial Intelligence, IEEE, Intelligence Systems, IEEE Transaction on Pattern Analysis and Machine Intelligence, Neural Networks Journal on Intelligence, Paradigms of AI Programming, Case Studies in Common Lisp, What Computers Can Do, Organizations, Allen Institute for Artificial Intelligence, Artificial General Intelligence Research Institute, Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Society, Artificial Intelligence Applications Institute, Associations for the Advancement of Artificial Intelligence, European Coordinating Committee for Artificial Intelligence, European Neural Network Society, Future of Humanity Institute, Future of Life Institute, iLabs, International Joint Conferences on Artificial Intelligence, Knowledge Engineering and Machine Learning Group, Machine Intelligence Research Institute, Partnership on AI, Society for the Study of Artificial Intelligence and the Simulation of Behavior. Companies, AI companies of India, Alphabet Inc., DeepMind, Google X, Uganda Robotics, Bot and Dolly, Mecha Robotics, Redwood Robotics, Shaft Incorporated, Boston Dynamics, Baidu, Beyond Limits, IBM, Microsoft, OpenAI, Universal Robotics, Artificial Intelligence Researchers and Scholars, 1930s and 40s, Generation Zero, Alan Turing, John von Neumann, Norbert Wiener, Claude Shannon, Nathaniel Rochester, Walter Pitts, Warren McCullough. 1950s, the founders, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, Herbert A. Simon. Okay, 1960s, they are students, Edward Feigenbaum, Raj Reddy, Seymour Papert, Ray Solomonov. 1970s, Douglas Hofstadter. 1980s, Judy Pearl, Rodney Brooks, Joshua Bengio. 1990s, 1980s, so there were 1990s right now. Joshua Bengio, Hugo DeGaris, Geoffrey Hinton, Jan LeCun, Ray Kurzweil. 2000s on. Okay, here's Nick Bostrom, David Ferrucci, Andrew Ng, Peter Norvig, Mark Raybert, Stuart J. Russell, Murray Shanahan, author of The Technological Singularity, a primer on superhuman intelligence. Artificial Intelligence Glossary, Artificial Intelligence list of emerging technologies. We have read it, everybody. Thanks so much for it. It was interesting to read about outline of artificial intelligence. It was about optimization and also different types of algorithms and neural networks and different types of processes and history too. Inside of it, we have learned a little bit about it. Yes, it was amazing. Let me know in the comment section below what's more about mathematical stuff, technical stuff, or artificial intelligence stuff would you like to learn more. We read a lot of about mathematics and artificial intelligence. If you want to recommend, you are welcome in the comment section below. Write something with grammarly correct, please. If you want, you can write it in English. If you want to write it in Russian, actually, it doesn't matter. But actually, it will be good if you recommend some articles, maybe to read scientific stuff. Okay, thank you a lot for watching. See you next time, Professor Daily. Let me know also in the comment section below what did you understand and how much of what I said you understood, and it will be really interesting to know. See you next time. You're a nice guy or girl. See you.